Hey, this is Marco, and in this I'm going to show you how to pre-order EA Sports FC 2025. But before I show you how to do this, subscribe to the channel, it helps me out a lot. So basically what you want to do is open up your PS app on your phone, then go to the bottom right on search and just type in FC 25. And just click on the first option. And from there you will see the pre-order button. And basically pre-order, you will get it by August 20th. And once it rolls out, you can automatically, of course, install it on your PS5. But if you want to install it via PlayStation, not via the app, the steps are the same. Go to the turn on your PlayStation, go to the left side to the store, type in FC25, buy it and make it like pre-download when available. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.